So finally friends, the most awaited phone OnePlus Nord has been launched in Indian market yesterday on July 21. Firstly, if we talk about the design of the product, the phone is looking chunky and gives a very classy premium look at this price of segment. Moreover, somewhere it slightly resembles with the OnePlus previously launched product OnePlus 8. Now the Nord is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 768G processor with the CPU speed 30% faster on graphics rendering. It also comes with 5G enabled services and the AR support. So whenever the 5G services start in India, you are all set to use that in this device. Now come to the camera performance. Nord loaded with the quad AI camera sensor setup. The primary camera is 48 megapixel Sony IMX585 with the 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 5 megapixel depth sensor and the 2 megapixel micro sensor, which can help you improve the low light condition photography. At the front side of this phone, there's a dual camera setup. The primary one is the 32 megapixel camera Sony IMX161 selfie sensor and the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. OnePlus again follow the same legacy and gives the same slider button for toggle between silent and vibration mode at the top right corner. The most disappointed thing in this phone is there is no dedicated 3.5mm jack. So if you are still like to use wire headphones, so this phone is not for you. The most amazing part of this phone, the display. Yes, it has a full HD plus super fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. That means it gives you a powerful HD video quality and super gaming performance. Comparatively with the other phones, I would say this is the one of the best display in this price of point on mid-range smartphones. Also the in-display fingerprint sensor worked flawlessly and giving quick response and outstanding performance. The OnePlus Nord supports 30-watt fast charging, where companies also claim it will charge your phone 20 to 70% in just 30 minutes. The phone is running is Android 10 Oxygen OS, and this handset will come in two color options, chunky grey and the marble blue. It also comes with the 3 storage variant, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and last but not the least 12GB RAM and 156GB storage. So if you wish to buy this phone, check out this on Amazon on 4th of August 2020. But I also recommend check out the other phones which is running in the market already, since this is the Chinese product. So what kind of security patch will come in this, no one knows. So this is it for the day. Please subscribe this channel for the more updated videos. This is Abhishek signing off for the day. Goodbye.